Oh, you
Oh
jumped?
shit.
Oh, crap,
Oh,
man.
bro, tough with it. I ain't gonna lie. That's tough.
Let me start off by saying the new patch isn't as bad as players are making it seem. I always IRL playstyle dribble. I can't fake it. That's how I've always played. To be able to utilize the game to its highest extent, meaning I'm also utilizing the left stick to protect myself more, and the right stick to more utilize a more stand-up combo to try to throw the defender off me to create space to get set into my shot. Because if you're using the left stick, it's kind of just doesn't feel really the greatest trying to just stop and then just shoot if you're just trying to left stick and kind of spin around in circles. Not saying to spin around in circles, but you know, right here we utilize the left stick. People talk about, oh, I'm getting plugged, oh, you can't dribble, you can't do moves in front of a person. Right here you see I snatch, boom, right here again, another snatch. I come over, he's bumping me a little bit, I left stick cross. I told y'all we're using pro dribble style, and you get that cross having pro dribble style. Okay, doesn't matter about the motion style you're using, it's the pro dribble styles where you get that type of motion on the crossover when you use the left stick. And you see I cross him and I go for that dunk. Big man, you know, they can't stay with KD. Even when you're playing against lock sticks, lockdowns, you have to learn how to utilize the left stick. Look at that move I just did. I just missed a shot here. Just recently switched to push and I love it. But we still gotta get the timing right. See that move I did between them? Don't let these people throw you off. Look at this, sir. What you want, OG? Don't let people throw you off, man. You really dribble realistically. Look, I'm doing moves away. Some people, when I post this on my YouTube shorts, they be like, oh, this doesn't work. Like, people look at me like, what am I doing? I'm creating the space. They don't understand. They don't see it. They're not aware. Right here, look at this. I do a move, and I deserve that. You slow it down, you pause it, you freeze frame it, you'll see I dribbled right into him. The move, the ball went into his leg. If people don't want that realisticness, because all the 2Ks that we loved and we played, you could dribble into a person's body for a little bit and get away with it. You know, look at this move. Step back to the midi, breaking his ankles. Trust me, people, if you really play realistic, you dribble, do moves with purpose. Like, he jumped, he's out of position, so I do a step back because his feet is not in a good position. The computer's going to read that. So when you got to do those moves right there. Wow. Oh, I know y'all probably used to shoot with the stick before this patch. That's tough. That's why I told niggas not to use that shit. Y'all struggling to shoot, make a bucket. Big man don't even want to play. You making it boring for me. I want to try to cook somebody. That's crazy, bro. I'm about to... Ooh, I love this patch. Yeesh. You better go take a dunk, boy. I love this new patch. Oh, my God. Y'all better tap into YouTube OG Almighty, man. Learn some gems. Learn some gems. That's tough.
Yeah, I can shoot, bro. It's just like they low key pass it to me when like I'm already being guarded, like when I'm not open no more.
Yeah. They don't trust you.
And then like taking all those bad shots, I just said F it and I'm just gonna let the game in.
They gotta get like my man right there. He ain't that bad. He's shooting some peaks still. It's the new patch, bro. Niggas trying to get they trying to get right. Midi? See, if you miss a midi like that, they not gonna hit you again. Yeah, they ain't gonna hit you again.
I understand midi for sure.
That's how it is with randoms. Yeah, that's how it is with randoms. They ain't gonna want to hit you again. Oh, you jumped.
Oh shit.
Oh, crap.
Oh, bro, tough with it. I ain't gonna lie. That's tough.
Yeah. Damn, yo, this new patch is crazy, bro. I know a lot of these guys was rhythm shooting before. And now I got the little hitch, so nobody want to use it. I see everybody trying to use X now. That's crazy, bro. Nice. Oh, that's a nice shot. You just got hit it. You open. Just got time it normally. Don't release it all early. Ugh. Fuck it.
Hey, GG's, bro. I'm not mad at it.
GG's, bro. Tap in YouTube OG Almighty, man. If you're really nice, you can run with me when I'm live.
I got you, gang. Yes, sir. I got you.
All right, bet. So let me give y'all this last part. Right. one thing you guys are going to want to do, I come to my badges. You come over here, Sir Badge Perks, and you see we +2 this Unpluckable Hall of Fame. Now, when I was live, I did not have Unpluckable +2. I had Paint Patroller, because this is another good +2. I'm going to be able to get Paint Patroller back once I unlock these, you know. But we are running Unpluckable for now. I could sacrifice it, because if it's going to stay like this, Unpluckable helps me, right? You guys look at my attributes. I got 78 ball control, but you guys see what we do. We utilize the ball handle takeover. This is my takeover when I'm playing against comp. I'll use the block. Get my block to like a 94 if I'm playing really great. And you see the ball handle, right? When I want to just go crazy, this is my other takeover, and we get the 93 ball handle. When I really want to say, you know what, I'm just handling. You know, if I'm playing with a good defensive team, I can run this way more, you know, and play the guard position more. You can switch it up. So I like either one. Okay, but I'm gonna switch to this because we about to get some gameplay. You know, we about to go crazy, break some ankles. Now, people, that is very crucial to put that on there. Okay, and let's say a defender is at the 3-point line. It's good to do your combos like this because he has to predict which way you're going to go if you're doing your combos away from him. That's why you want to. This is when you want to spam the moves. Why do you want to do it in front of his face? Let's say he's right at the 3-point line. Why do I want to do it right here? What's the point? You only do like crossover moves or a move like this when you're kind of like close to him, but not too close, because then you're gonna bump into him. Is the ball just like a fake imaginary thing? Do people not think the ball's like a thing? The ball's like is there. Why do you think there's certain moves that cut a little bit diagonal left, cut a little bit diagonal right? Certain moves cut diagonal left, diagonal right, or certain moves, like, you know what I mean? Then the left stick, like, you see how I can do that quick behind the back? Like, you see I could do a little combo with the left stick? Like, this is all just left stick movement. Like, oh. Like, you see that? No way y'all can think that's bad. And you're not wasting too much, though. Once you use the right stick, it's like more power moves, and it can break people. That's the power with the right stick. See the difference? You can't break anyone with the left stick. But with the right stick, you can break people. Okay? That's the key difference. So people have to start understanding that. But the left stick, you see when I have, like, how I have pro on, and if I could just come up like, or I do a certain move, or I cross over. Hold on, let me see. Switch it like this, and then I, hold on, boom. Even that move, even that, when I'm throwing the ball like that, that crossover right there, that speed burst right there, that crossover right there. You put on a different dribble style, you will get different crossovers, right? And we're gonna show you guys that real quick. Because most people, like, oh, what's your motion style? And I be seeing people ask me about comment section, and I'm like, are they thinking like the motion style is so key to them really moving a certain way? No. Let's look at pro. It shows you. You see that little stop? That's a quick stop right there that you can do, right? Look, you see that little crossover? That's the crossover I'll be doing. Watch when you see the little left stick crossover that I'll be telling y'all. That's the crossover I'll be doing. And it's really smooth. It's really like a KD crossover. It's like, it's like you moving forward, but you still cross over this way, and the ball is able to just, it's just a clean crossover the way you move with it. Like, so understand it. Now look, we go to Giannis. Look at the movement. You don't see that little crossover. You see a little different movement. He could come up, do this. Look, you could turn like that. He has a little crossover in there, but it's a little more wider. I don't like how wide it is. But look, we'll see the Giannis crossover again. Look how wide it is. I don't like that. A little too wide, and it looks very, very slow. You look at the pro crossover, it looks smoother. Now look at Paolo Banchero's. Look at his blow dribble. And look at that, the little stumble, no. And I use Paolo Banchero on my Wemby build, but I'm probably going to change it. I think I only have him, but I use it on my Wemby build. And it's nice when you do that long, slow crossover, but there's faster ones, and it's pretty. And I say go with the faster ones, but he has a good little speed boost too in it. So certain players have different useful things. That little hesitation, he has that. It's certain little things that's useful once you learn how to use it. Activate it with the left stick. Then we got KD. I don't like KD because he does this forward front crossover with the left stick. Yeah, that one. And then he does another one right there. I don't like that one. It's not as good as it looks. It makes it look really, really good right here in it when you see it. Look, he gonna do a quick cross right here, like coming up right now, like soon, like the next one. Boom. That's not that good. It's like you throw the ball right in somebody's face, and that can get plucked a lot in this game. They have to do better with making KD's attack cross like in the game. They make it all hitchy and like, yeah, he does it, but they can make it look a little bit better and smoother, you know. So honestly, people, I hope you guys can understand the difference. You know, for some people that's just like still not understanding fully. Some people are like that on that fence, and that's what I teach for. So pros just smooth, throw it on, try it on your 6'10" builds, higher, even on smaller builds. I feel like pro would be nice. Hit that like, man. I'll see y'all in the next one.